नमस्कार, मैं नितेंदु ओझा आपका अपने एग्रीकल्चर यूट्यूब चैनल पर स्वागत करता हूं। आज हम लोग जिस टॉपिक पे बात करने जा रहे हैं वो है सीड टेस्टिंग, जिसको हम लोग बहुत ही शॉर्ट में जानेंगे ये क्या चीज़ है। द फर्स्ट सीड टेस्टिंग स्टेशन वाज फाउंडेड बाय प्रोफेसर फ्रेडरिक नोबे एट जनवरी इन 1869। और सबसे पहले इसका जो हम लोग कंट्रोलेशन किए थे वो क्लोव सीड के ऊपर था, जो कि 1816 में किया गया था। द इंटरनेशनल सीड टेस्टिंग एसोसिएशन ISTA was established in 1924 in Norway. Central Seed Testing Laboratory CSTL is located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Test in which appropriate sample of seed are grown to determine the genetic purity of a given seed lot of released cultivars. Methods for viability test of seeds. The first is potassium permanganate method, in which seeds are soaked in a weak solution of potassium permanganate, and as the proportion of dead seed increase, the discoloration of the solution also increase. The second test is tetrazolium chloride test, which is given by Lacon in 1942, which is also known as TZ test and a biochemical test. In this method, the seed are soaked in 0.5 to 2% solution of tetrazolium chloride. The viable seeds take bright red coloration, which become more intense in the embryo, while the dead seeds remain in the original color. Now we understand the method to break the seed dormancy. The first method is scarification. It is the process of breaking, scratching, altering or softening the seed cover to make it permeable to water and gases. Scarification can be achieved mechanically or by hot water and acids. ये ज़्यादातर मैकेनिकल, थर्मल और केमिकल तरीके से किया जाता है। The second method is stratification. It is the method of handling of dormant seed in which the imbibed seeds are subject to the period of chilling to after ripening the embryo. Dormant seeds of temperate fruit like apple, cherry, pear and apricot are generally placed in layer of sand in a box at the temperature of 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. And the other examples are mustards and groundnut. The third method is chemical treatment, in which potassium nitrate treatment used for placing the seed for germinating, that is substrum may be moistured with 2% solution of KNO3. Example rice, tomato and chilies. The second one is gibberellic acid treatment, in which substratum used for germinating may be moistured with 500 ppm, that is parts per million solution of gibberellic acid. Example wheat and oat. The last one is thiourea treatment, in which potato tubers are dipped in a thiourea solution which is 1% of 1 hour when first harvest produce is to be used as a seed material. So that's all for seed testing. मैंने जितना हुआ शॉर्ट में आपको बताने की कोशिश की है और आशा करता हूँ कि आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। तो ऐसे देखते रहें, ट्रिपल एग्री चैनल को फॉलो करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और इंस्टाग्राम पे ज़रूर आएँ, वहाँ पे ऐसी पोस्ट आती रहती हैं। तो जय हिंद, जय भारत।